Running into a card declined error on PayPal? Don't worry, it's a common issue and can be resolved quickly. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. First, check your card's expiration date printed on the back. Make sure it hasn't expired. Next, if the card is still valid, go to paypal.com and sign into your account. Then scroll down and click on Contact Us at the bottom of the page. After that, scroll again and you'll see three options: Message Us, Resolution Center, and Call Us. I recommend choosing Call Us for the fastest support. You'll be given a customer service number along with a one-time code. Make sure to note that down before calling or texting them. Bonus tip: if the issue still isn't resolved, try removing the current card and linking a different one. It often works like a charm. And that's how you fix a declined card issue on PayPal. Follow these steps and you'll be back to making payments in no time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!